Welcome back. So in the previous task, we saw how to work with pop links. We also saw how any themes can be added to the WordPress. And now in this task, we'll import the demo content for the theme that we installed. So we have a demo content for the theme in the desktop area. So a demo file, it contains all the demo contents of your theme. So when you import the demo content, it imports settings of the widgets and the customizer. It will import the post datas, pages of your theme, categories, comments, images, widgets, menus, and settings. So overall, you'll get your website appearance exactly to that of you saw in the theme demo. So we already have the demo content for this theme. So as I showed you earlier, our dummy data, it contains three files with three different extensions. So we're going to import all the dummy files with just one click with the help of a plugin. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So on the dashboard section right here, it says this theme recommends the following plugins, and here it says begin installing plugins. So let me open this in a new tab. So it's done. So first let me close this previous task, and it's done. So this theme, it recommends you to install all of these plugins right over here, but for now we'll just install the contact us plugin and the one click demo import plugin. So let me check in the box for the contact us, and let me check in the box for the one click demo import. So now let's go ahead and click on this, and now let's choose the option called install, and now let's click on this apply button right here to install all of these two plugins from there. So it's done, and it says all installations have been completed. So your two of the plugins, they have been installed. Now let's go ahead and let's activate these two plugins. So for this, let's click on this that says return to required plugin installer. So let's go ahead and click on it. And now again, let's choose the contact us and one click demo import plugin. And now just go here at the top, and now just choose the option called activate. And now just go ahead and click on this apply button to activate both of those plugins. So since the plugins were activated successfully, so now first let's go ahead and let's refresh this page as well. So now we are good to go. So now just go ahead and under this appearance section here, you have the import demo data option. So let's go ahead and let's click on it. So it's done. So just scroll down here, and here it is asking you to manually import the demo files. So at first, let's go ahead and let's import the XML file. So now let's go ahead and let's click on this choose file option. Then you need to go and choose the desktop from there. And here we have the better health dummy content. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you need to choose the XML file. So double click on it to choose the XML file. So it's uploading, and it's done. Then next here is asking you to choose a WIE or a JSON file. So again, let's go ahead and let's click on this choose file option. And here we have it. So let me click this WIE file. So it's done. And now next uh, we have the option that it says to choose a DAT file. So let's go ahead and let's click on this choose file option. And here we have the .dat extension file. So let me choose that, and it's done. So now let's go ahead and let's click on this import demo data to import all the demo content for this particular theme. So it says importing, please wait. So it's gonna take some time. So till then, I'll pause my video and I'll come back when it's done totally. So after importing the data, you'll have something like this. So it says that's it, all done. So the demo import, it has finished. So now since all our demo files are imported, so now let's go ahead and let's open our site in a new tab to see the changes that has appeared on our website. So it's done. So here you'll see your website, it has been changed entirely with all your demo contents. So here you can see we have got some certain latest blocks with all the images, their post title and their description part. And then here on the right hand side, here you can see the sidebar, and here at the top here you can see a make appointment button, and here it says to add a menu. So overall it changed the appearance of the website, but now we need to customize it to get the things out together. So that's all. So in this task, you saw how demo content for the theme are uploaded via a plugin. And now in the next task, we'll customize the site to change the appearance. We'll add the slider and we'll add some theme colors as well.